Hey everyone, welcome to our new video. Today we're at one of Auckland's most exciting waterfront spots, Wynyard Crossing Bridge. This amazing pedestrian bridge isn't just a walkway, it's a sight to see, especially when it lifts for boats to pass. Let's dive in. This pedestrian bridge is not just a convenient pathway, but also a spectacular sight when it opens to let boats through. Wynyard Crossing is a bascule bridge, meaning it can lift in the center to allow boats and yachts to pass through. This bridge connects the vibrant Viaduct Harbour with the modern Wynyard Quarter, one of Auckland's most popular waterfront destinations. As you walk across, you'll enjoy breathtaking views of Auckland's skyline, including the iconic Sky Tower standing tall at 328 meters. This is a favorite spot for tourists and locals alike to take a stroll, cycle, or just relax by the water. Now let's see the magic happen. When a boat needs to pass, the bridge lifts in the middle. First an alarm sounds and the barriers come down, stopping pedestrians and cyclists. Then, the two sections of the bridge rise up, creating a clear passage for the boats below. This opening mechanism is both functional and an attraction in itself, drawing crowds who love to watch the bridge in action. From the bridge, you can admire the stunning Viaduct Harbour, home to luxury yachts, lively bars, and world-class restaurants. At night, the reflections of city lights on the water create a magical atmosphere. Just across the bridge, Wynyard Quarter offers great cafes, restaurants, and public spaces like Silo Park, where you can enjoy movies in the summer and weekend markets. So, whether you're visiting Auckland or just looking for a scenic spot to explore, Wynyard Crossing Bridge is a must-see. It's not just a bridge, it's an experience. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing sights around New Zealand. See you in the next video.